How to restore old layout on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily get the old YouTube layout. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop. For this video, I'm going to use Chrome web browser. So in the Chrome web browser, you just have to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, then hover over to extensions and click on visit Chrome web store. Over here in the search bar, you simply need to search for YouTube Redux. So you will be able to find YouTube Redux application over here. So you just have to add this extension in your device, and then you just have to complete some of the layout settings according to you. Then if you open your YouTube, you will notice that you have successfully restored the old YouTube layout. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.